Papa Blue shirt here. Exciting day. I got my new bike in. A little concerned because there's a hole in the side here. But that's what it looks like inside the box. A little bit of wear here through this. Well, let's get it out and see what happens here. All right, I'm gonna put this on a time lapse because online has a really neat video on how to put it together, so there's no reason for me to do it. So let's get this put together. Okay, so what I did is I put the screw in on that side and then I put a clamp on this and squeezed it together until I could get the screw in. Like I said, these things really make a difference because those other things, the thing that they gave you with the bike, I mean, it's really nice. Got little sockets in it, and it's a little nice, little handy tool. But as you're trying to do it, it bends, and this just works better. Of course, if you're out on the road, you'd be happy to have this with you when you. All right, finally got that. Who would have thought that would be the hardest? I was reading some of the reviews, and people said they had a hard time getting this on. Hopefully, everything from here on out will be easy. This is the clamp I used, just a regular wood clamp. And I hooked it right here, right on the ends. Close to the end. Worked really good. This here, I don't like how this is. There's no slot here for this wire, so you tighten it up, it'll be squeezing right against the wire. I don't like that. So I'm gonna get some spacers to go here to keep that out far enough so it won't be wearing a hole in that wire. Let's see if I can find one. All right, here's what I come up with. I just got me some nuts that are bigger than the thing there. Just slide it over, use that as a spacer. So this wire, if you can see it here, this wire can come up through here and not be pushed on there. See, then I leave enough room there so that wire won't get pinched. I don't know why they didn't have it so that wouldn't get pinched. I meant to put this headlight on. I didn't have no washers here. I think there should be washers on both sides. And I got a split washer going on the back side to keep it from loosening up. So, and I couldn't find a regular washer here, so I'm just using a split washer on this side too. But it'll work. I mean, for a couple extra pennies, they could have included some washers. But let's get going here. Well, here's what the bikes look like side by side. Pretty much comparable, the same size, I guess. It's a little bit higher in the front, I think. Yeah, it's real close. And there's one thing I'll say, boy, this thing has a big old battery on it. 22 amp hour. Look how tight it is here between that. I actually had to move the cradle down because I couldn't get the battery in. Thought I moved it down a little bit and it fit. So, I'm gonna go take it for a test ride. I'm so excited, I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. Let's go. As you can see, it's blue. For Papa Blue Shirt. But I'll do a full review of what this is all about later, but it's all-wheel drive, and I'm gonna take it out for a whirl today and see how it works. Be my first major ride. I rode it up from the garage, but I'm not gonna count that because that was really slow. So, kind of cold today, so I gotta get warm. Look at this. Look at my light. Got a big old light here. See it? Look there. Look how bright that is. And then when I hit the brake. Man. Brakes are the opposite of my Ecotric, but they're what I want, so I'm gonna have to get used to that again. But anyway, I am gonna go for a ride. See you in a little bit. Well, if you could see my face, I'd be smiling ear to ear. Wow, this is fun. Woo! Here's what I'm doing. 21 miles an hour on PAS3. Cruising right along here. Oh yeah, this is fun. And I can outrun dogs now. Woohoo! Going down some old dirt roads here. I'm not used to pedaling this fast. It's gonna get me in more shape than I am. Woo! Oh, wow, look at that big old tree that fell across the road here. Ooh. Boy, you put the throttle on this thing, one hand is kind of scared. One hand is kind of scared. Woo! Front tire spinning. Well, this is one of the steepest hills in our area. Probably can't see it on this, but with my Ecotric, I would slow down to about a mile an hour. I just went up this and the slowest I got was about 17 miles an hour. Wow, I love it. Well, I went back and did the hill again. Not because I wanted to, but my phone hopped out of my pocket. I was pedaling so hard that my phone hopped out. I thought about it earlier and I zip up my pocket, but I was having so much fun I forgot. But I went back and found it. Thank the Lord for that. Now I'm gonna go down this other road. This road here is goes down a hill just as big as that other one, except it's all gravel, and we'll get some off-road in here. So let's take her down there. Well, this will be my first ever river crossing with this. Let's see what this thing does. That's what it looked like going through the water. You can't even tell it because of the fenders. Oh, this is fun. This is really fun. I'm gonna see if I can get this river crossing for you here. Kind of scary going one-handed. We got her. Oh yeah, that's fun. Oh, look at all the deer out there. Look at the flowers. A whole herd of deer's running right alongside me here. Down here riding in the bottoms, the site of that fire that I saw that time. I'll leave a link up above, but I'm having a blast. I'm kind of worried because my phone's almost dead. I don't want to stall somewhere and Mama not be able to find me, but I'm just having so much fun. Oh, it's a blast. Well, this is the furthest I rode back here. Really beautiful. But I better head back before it gets dark. Don't want to be back here in the dark. Oh, it's nice back here. Old little park. It's about 3 miles back here, I think. Sure is nice. 22 miles, still having fun. Beautiful sunset. Little goats. Yeah, nice sunshine. And 29 miles. And I went did quite a bit off-road, so yeah. Woo! Oh, that was fun. I went 29 miles for my first ride, and it was a blast. Going down there in the bottoms and all that, and yeah. I was out there so long that Mama had to come and look for me. Well, Mama had to come get me. She come looking for me. She didn't have to come get me, but she was worried about me.
Oh, it's dark, y'all. You see this? It's dark. And he wasn't home yet, and he wasn't answering my texts. And I didn't even think about Find Phone, because I got Find Phone on my phone, connected to his, until I got out of the driveway. Then I went and I said, oh, I know right where he's at. So I went and met him.
And then I thought she was some crazy following me. I didn't know it was her.
I am crazy.
Yeah.
I'm crazy to get out of my warm house and go find him when he's just perfectly okay.
Yep, I was fine.
30 miles, y'all.
Yep, 29 something.
I don't know what he thinks he is. I guess you think you're 16
I think
again,
I'm 16,
right?
yep.
Oh, man. I can't keep him down sometimes when it comes to biking.
Oh, that was fun.
And it's cold out. It's like 32, maybe 35.
And I was sweating. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt and Mama Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.